or Ms. Welch, if you will check to see if Mr. Lopez received the notice or opened the notice for today's setting, or have we heard from him?
I will check, Judge.
Thank you. All right. Good morning. This is Judge Elisa Perez presiding over the 210 District Court criminal docket for January 16th, 2024. Matters being heard today are being heard with in accordance with all directives regarding remote proceedings. We're also streaming all matters live via YouTube for public viewing. Mr. Marufo, would you call our next case, please?
In cause number 2023-0D06713 and 2023-0D03855, State of Texas versus Diego Dimitris Lancelin. Announcement of counsel, please.
Good morning, David Vandenberg on behalf of the state. The state is ready.
Ruben Hernandez, Your Honor, for Mr. Lancelin.
And Mr. Lancelin is appearing remotely. Mr. Hernandez, is that your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. We are scheduled today for a motion to withdraw. It looks like we're having some issues with communication, Mr. Hernandez. Is that right?
Yes, Judge. I'm unable to effectively communicate with him at this point, Judge, and Mr. Lancelin cannot also abide by the contract, and so I would ask that I be allowed to withdraw.
Okay, it looks like we've just gone past 2801, which was the deadline to file motions. I don't know if this difficulty in having communication. Mr. Lancelin, did you hire Mr. Hernandez, and have you discussed with him the fact that he wants to withdraw?
I've talked to him, or not to him. I talked to his secretary, and his secretary was the one.
Let me just tell you, make sure you don't tell me anything about the case, okay? I'm just trying to figure out if you all are on the same page about the withdrawal.
No, because I'm hearing from secondhand. I didn't hear anything directly from him. I'm hearing from his secretary, and she was telling me different things. So originally she was telling me that he wanted bigger payments. I work a $10 an hour job at Circle K, so I had to combine my
Mr. Lancelin, let me ask you this. Are you oh sorry, my computer's. Are you did you review the motion? Did you get a copy of the motion to withdraw?
We got it through email. Yes.
Okay. And in there, it does have your upcoming court settings. We're about 6 months away from a jury trial. If the issue is contractual, and I understand if you have some financial difficulty, the court is more than happy to assist you if I allow Mr. Hernandez to withdraw, if you need to apply for a court-appointed attorney. Is that something you would like to do?
Can I speak?
It's my mother.
Who is that? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I need to know from you, Mr. Lancelin, if you are interested in applying for a court-appointed attorney.
If he withdraws.
I mean, if he withdraws, I have no choice. But
You're not in agreement with the withdrawal, Mr. Lancelin?
No, because honestly, he told us beforehand that it's okay if we can't make payments of $2,000 or these big payments, because we told him our situation. I don't make good money. When we first hired him, my mom was the one who hired him. She put out a car loan and then hired him with that money. I didn't have a job yet, and then I didn't get a job till I think a month later. And then after I got the job, I told him I'm starting to work at Circle K, where I'm getting $10 an hour.
All right, Mr. Hernandez, I'm not sure what exactly has transpired, but I don't know if you've been in contact with Mr. Lancelin or his mom. Are you still requesting the withdrawal?
I am, Your Honor. I think at this point, I just can't effectively communicate with him and represent him on this matter, Judge.
Mr. Vandenberg, what's the rec in this case?
There's two cases, Your Honor. In 6713, ag assault with a deadly weapon, the rec is 5 TDC. And in 3855, sexual abuse of a child continuous, the rec is 10 TDC.
All right. I am going to grant the Mr. Hernandez's request to withdraw. Mr. Lancelin, What I am going to do, if you are open to it, I'm going to request that someone come and do a financial assessment for you so that I can find out if I can appoint someone to represent you in these cases. Okay? It is totally up to you if financially, between you, your family, you don't have to take the attorney if you qualify, if you want to go out and hire another attorney. But I would encourage you, if that's what you intend to do, that you do it quickly because we are coming up on some deadlines. No, Mr. Vandenberg and Mr. Lancelin, that as we're coming up, it looks like we have another pretrial 2801 on March 7th. That of course, I'll take this situation, your attorney situation into consideration in terms of extending any deadlines because a new attorney would have to catch up. Okay. And so let's go ahead and bring in someone to do the financial assessment for Mr. Lancelin. Mr. Lancelin, the only thing that is going to entail is them getting a handle on your financial situation, so your income, expenses, things like that. It's nothing about the substance of your cases, okay? With that said, as soon as I find out if you qualify, you will have a court-appointed attorney here. And again, it would be up to you if you want to stay with that attorney or if you're going to intend to hire someone else. That's totally up to you. In any event, Mr. Hernandez, I'm going to allow you to withdraw. I do have a proposed order here, so I'll go ahead and sign off.
Thank you, Honor. May I be excused, Your Honor?
You may. Thank you, Mr. Lancelin. Just, you can turn off your camera and mute until we get that person here and they'll put you in a breakout room. Who's next?
Page 6, Judge, with Mr. Underwood.
Mhm.
In cause number 2023-0D03480, State of Texas versus Joshua Arredondo. Announcement of counsel, please.
David Vandenberg on behalf of the state. State is ready.
Justin Underwood for Mr. Arredondo, Judge. We're ready.
And good morning. I understand we didn't have this set for the motion to withdraw, Mr. Underwood. Did you all speak? Did you speak to Mr. Arredondo regarding the motion to withdraw?
Yes, ma'am. In fact, we've already withdrawn off of his misdemeanor in County Criminal Court at Law Number 2. This was set for a withdrawal hearing prior to the holidays. His sister had reached out to me beforehand. I've known his sister for a long, long time and asked for time before the holidays to make amends, and I said okay. And then so I asked Myrna, I actually told Myrna we were going to wait on it, and then nothing's happened. There's been no
and we don't have a defendant, do we, Mr. Marufo? Didn't check in. I see an outstanding warrant.
I believe he has an open warrant too, Judge. So
yeah.
He did check in on Friday, Judge, and I told him
in
about the hearing. Yes, Judge.
Judge, and Mr. Arredondo was here and present at the last hearing, and he signed a court setting. I believe the warrant is from PR.
Do we know if he's here today? We're gonna have to check for him, Mr. Marufo, in the event that he showed up in person. For your purposes, Mr. Underwood, that request is granted. If we received a proposed order, I'll sign off on it.
okay.
And then we'll see if he's here today and see what happens. Okay.
No worries. Thank you, Judge. Myrna, I'll check right now to make sure that my office attached the order to the motion. We typically do, but I'll follow up and make sure. And if that doesn't happen, we'll send it over quickly.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
I'll have a good day. Stay warm. Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. And who's next?
Judge, the last one we have pending is on page 19, Judge, with Mr. Lopez.
Let's bring in Ms. Moore. Okay, go ahead.
I reached out to his office and he's in another court. They were trying to get him to log in.
Okay.
Ms. Moore is in the lobby.
Okay, in the Zoom lobby?
Yes, ma'am.
Waiting room. Okay, go ahead and bring her in.
Good morning, Judge.
Hi, Ms. Ortega.
Mr. Lopez did call me this morning, but then asked to be transferred to Mr. Vandenberg, so maybe that's what this was about.
Is that Ms. Moore? If you all could please unmute.
Yeah.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
My name is Joseph Hoffman. I'm just facilitating this, Your Honor. I'm a lawyer in Fort Myers. Ms. Moore is here.
Okay.
Good
Ms.
morning,
Moore.
Your Honor.
Good morning, ma'am. We're not formally on the record yet. I have you down, well, actually, it's already 10:15, but Mr. Lopez is still your attorney.